Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make Dahi Potol or Dahi Parwal ki sabji, which will be very delicious and is so good to enjoy as a side dish along with hot steamed rice. So friends, let's get started with this interesting recipe. So to make Dahi Potol or Dahi Parwal ki sabji, I have taken here 5 pointed gourd, and with the help of a knife, I will gently scrape off the skin in this way. And the same process I will do for the rest of the pointed gourd also. And after scraping off the skin and thoroughly washing them, we need to make slits in the parwal or pointed gourd in this way so that they can absorb all the flavors of the gravy. And now into them we'll add some salt as per taste and a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder. Rub the salt and haldi powder well over the pointed gourds. And we will let them rest for about 5 minutes. Then next you will need a bowl of curd or dahi, around 2 tablespoons of broken cashews and 1 tablespoon of raisins soaked in warm water. And now we need to transfer the cashews and raisins after discarding the water. And we'll grind this into a coarse paste. And now into this we will add the bowl of curd or dahi, and this time we will grind this into a smooth paste. Let's check this once. And a smooth creamy base for our Dahi Potol is ready. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat a karhai and into it goes some mustard oil. And when the oil is hot, we will add the pointed gourds or parwal seasoned with salt and turmeric powder. And on medium flame, we will fry them until they turn golden brown from all the sides. And by now these are done, so we'll take them off and keep them aside in a plate. I will take off some excess oil from the karhai. And now in this hot oil goes 1 bay leaf or tej patta, 1 cinnamon stick or dalchini, 2 green cardamoms or elaichi, 2 cloves or long, few peppercorns or kali mirch, and few cumin seeds or sabut zeera. Let this crackle for a while. And now I'm adding half teaspoon of sugar. We'll allow this to caramelize slightly. Then next goes half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. I'm adding sugar and Kashmiri red chilli powder as this will give a lovely color to our gravy. Stir this once. And now into this goes 1 large onion which has been thinly sliced. We'll saute the onions until they turn deep golden brown. As you can see, the onions are fried well by now. Next goes 1 tablespoon of onion ginger garlic paste, and we will saute them for another 2 minutes till the raw taste of onion ginger garlic goes away. And now we'll quickly season this with some salt as per taste, a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Now mix all the spices well. Keep the flame on low. I'll add now a splash of water and we'll let this simmer on low flame for about 1 to 2 minutes. And our masala along with the onions, ginger, garlic has been well sauteed by now. At this stage, we'll add the creamy paste of curd, cashews and raisins. And on low flame, we will stir and saute the paste well for about 1 to 2 minutes until they are well combined with the spicy masala base. We'll add now some water to rinse off the mixie jar. And along with this goes a pinch of sugar to balance the taste. Mix this once. And as the gravy starts to boil, we'll add the fried potol or parwal into the dahi gravy. We will coat the parwal with the gravy. And now we will cover and let them simmer in the gravy on low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's 3 minutes now. Let's check this once. And the gravy looks good, rich and thick. I will check for the taste once. Little bit of salt is required here, so adding around 1/4 teaspoon of salt and around 1/4 teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder. Also now I'll be adding some fried kishmish or raisins and some fried cashews. We'll gently mix this once and will allow the gravy to simmer for just few seconds on medium flame. That's it. Our DOI potol or dahi parwal is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our DOI potol or dahi parwal in the serving plate. Enjoy this as a side dish along with hot steamed rice. So friends, do try this delicious pointed gourd recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.